Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Digicel Star.
Welcome back, Tonga.
Up on the stage, we have Rachel Faivailo and Tonga. You have voted. Rachel, you're in our top 5.
Katak mo kamu paspasi mai Diane tau malolo fafofonga fi katolu ya Mevi Town. Tonga, she's one of your top 10. Iheponi Diane na e whakahogo mai kau whakamau. You sang amazingly and you look like a star. Tonga, from the votes, you have decided, Diane, this is the end of the journey for you.
Up next, we have Paula Vakalahi. Tonight, Paula actually sang one of his songs that he actually wrote himself. The judges thought it was amazing in the crowd. Oh, wow, you loved it. Tonga, you have decided. Welcome to our top 5, Paula.
Tonga, left standing on stage, Melanie Ikua, Piamivaini.
And Filippo Lemoto from Halavavavi.
You've got your top 4 right there. One of these stars will make it through to the top 5.
And one of these stars will be going home.
Your final person to go through to your top 5 for Digicel Stars 2010, Katagyo Paspasi Mai, Filippo Lemoto. The Matuka Framali Henny. Judges, is there any yellow cards for tonight?
It's important that Tonga and anybody who's watching this program, listening to this program, to understand the importance of the votes, right? I think everyone thinks it's the judges that make the choices, but it's not. And as you can see with the 5 that are standing before us, there's some people that truly, truly deserve to be up here in the lineup. So we need a little bit of time, Malia, the judges, to spend some time, and I know you've got some entertainment organised, but we want to be able to bring everyone back, don't we? But we're going to decide whether we bring 1 or 2 back, so just some time would be great. Thank you.
Tonga, stay with us.